Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we learned about progressions, kinds of progressions, and the general term of arithmetic mean. Today, we are going to learn the sum of n terms of an AB. The sum of n terms on AB. The sum of n terms of an AP, that means arithmetic mean. The sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, before going to learn the sum of n terms of an AP, let us discuss a small example. For example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There are 5 terms. So if you want to calculate the sum of the 5 terms, you can easily calculate 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 15, 45. The sum of 5 terms equal to 45. Here we can easily calculate the sum of the 5 terms. Okay, if there are more terms, more than 10, more than 100, more than 1000, and it is very big task to calculate like this orally, and somehow the negative terms are also there. In some situations, negative terms are also there. So for that we can find out one formula. That means to calculate easily the sum of n terms of an AB or any progression, that means arithmetic progression, if the terms of an AP are A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. There are some terms are there. A, A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. For that, if you want to find the sum of n terms of AP, we have Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for sum of n terms on AP. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here A means first term, D means common difference, and n equal to number of terms in the progression. So okay, by using this formula we can find out the sum of n terms, more than 100, more than 1000, and some negative terms are also there. You can easily calculate. And another formula for sum of n terms, n by 2 into a plus l. It is another formula. When it is useful, Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. Here a means first term of AP, L means last term. L equal to last term, and it is also taken L equal to Tn or An, nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D, Okay, when it is useful? When only the first in the series, in the progression, only A and L values are given and n also is given. You can use that Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. There are two formulas, Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. Here a means first term, l equal to last term. When given n value and a value and l value, you can use this formula. Next topic, arithmetic mean of Next topic is arithmetic mean of AP. Arithmetic mean. For example, if small a comma capital A comma B are in AP. If A comma small a comma capital A comma B are in AP, A is the arithmetic AM between A comma B. So arithmetic mean AM equal to A plus B by 2. Arithmetic mean AM equal to A plus B by 2. Here A means arithmetic mean. This is also one of the term. A is also one of the term. It is between A and B. So if you want to calculate arithmetic mean, the average of first term and last term. First term, here three terms are there. The first term, this is A is the first term and B is the last term. The average of A plus B. Average of A plus B. And if A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma AN or AMs between A and B. You can show that like A comma small a comma A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma so on AN and small b. Between A and B there are A1, A2, A3 so on AN arithmetic means are there. Okay. Here the number of terms in series equal to n plus 2. Why? Because there are A1, A2, A3 so on AN. There are n AMs between A and B. There are n AMs between A and B. So here n AMs. Here A and B. This is another one. There are two terms between n. So the number of total terms in the series n plus 1 plus 1. That means n plus 2. The common difference the common difference d equal to b minus a by n plus 1. N plus 1. This is another formula for d in arithmetic mean. Okay, let us discuss once again arithmetic mean of AM. If a small a comma b are in AP, a is the arithmetic mean, the progression AM equal to a plus b by 2. That is the average of a plus b, average of a and b, average of a and b. Next, if a1, a2, a3, so on an or n arithmetic means between a and b, a comma small a comma a1, a2, a3, so on an between a. So the number of terms in the series here n plus 1 and again plus 1. Total n plus 2 terms are there in the series. The common difference d equal to b minus a by n plus 1. How many terms are there in an n plus 1? This is arithmetic mean. For example, 3 the AM between 3 comma 23. The AM between 3 comma 23. Okay, how can you calculate? AM equal to, you know that a plus b by 2, the average of two numbers. That means 3 plus 23 by 2 equal to 13. 3 plus 23, 26, 26 by 2, 13. Okay, now insist between 3 and 23. 3 comma 13 comma 23. Okay. Let us examine whether it is AP or not. For example, calculate D. Calculate D means the difference between preceding term and succeeding term, and the difference between succeeding term and preceding term. What is the difference? 10. What is the difference? 10. The common difference is, the difference is common. So they are in progression. Now they are in progression. 3 comma 13 comma 23 are in AP, arithmetic progression. So here AM is 13. So 13 is one of the element or term in the series. So now 3 comma 23 is not a progression, it is not a sequence, and it is not a AP. So after insisting AM between 3 and 23, it make a NAP. So by insisting AM between the two numbers, it become a arithmetic progression. So by insisting the arithmetic mean between the A and B, they become a progression. Now, so one more example on the sum of n terms. For example, the sum of first n positive integers, the sum of first n positive integers. The sum of first n positive integers, and also can take in the place of n, you can take 100. The sum of first 100 positive integers. Okay, by using this formula, the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, there are 100 positive integers. 100 positive integers. Okay. What is the common difference between 2 and 1? 1. 2 and 3? 1. 3 and 4? 1. So the common difference is 1. So it is in AP. AP. The sequence is in AP. Okay. Here A equal to 1. A equal to 1. D equal to 2 minus 1 or 3 minus 2 equal to 1. D equal to 1. Here how many terms are there? How many terms are there? There are 100 terms. There are 100 terms. N equal to 100. So if you want, okay, you can easily find the sum of first 100 positive integers by using the formula. What you learned? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute in the formula. N means 100 by 2, 2. A means 1, A value 1, and n 100 minus 1, and what is the d value? 1. This is 100 by 2 means 50, 2 ones are 2, plus 100 minus 1, 99, into 1, 99, 50 into 101, that means 505, okay, 5050. The sum of first 100 positive integers, 5050, 5050. Okay, this is the value. By using this formula, we can calculate any numbers of sum of any numbers. We can calculate easily. And also by using another formula, we can solve it. Another formula, what is? N by 2 into a plus L. N by 2 into a plus L. Here a means first term, L equal to last term. Here what is the first term? 1. What is the last term? 100. Here A equal to 1, L equal to 100. A equal to 1, L equal to 100. Substitute in this formula. N by 2, 100 by 2. N means number of terms. How many terms are there? 100. And what is the A value? 1 and L value? 100. 100 by 2, 50, and 1 plus 100, 101. 50 into 101, 5050. Okay, we can use both formulas to get the answer. Okay. In hand sheet 1, fifth problem is the sum of n terms of AP 2, 5, 8 is 55. Then the number of terms, Okay, the sum of n terms on AP 2, 5, 8 is 155. Then the number of terms. Here in this problem, so we have to find n value. So write AP first of all. 2, 5, 8. Here 2 is the first term. Here A equal to 2. So on. A equal to D equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3. And what is the another one is if the sum of n terms on AP is 155. That means Sn equal to 155. Okay. We have a formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula. So substitute the values in that problem, in that formula. Sn means 155. N we don't know, we have to calculate. 2. A means 2 plus n minus 1. What is the d value? 3. 155 n by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 3n minus 3, and 155 n by 2, 4 plus 4 minus 3, 1 plus 3n. Okay, by the transposition 155, here 2 is the denominator, by the transposition it becomes numerator. That means 310. Here n into 1, n plus 3n square. By the transposition 3n square plus n minus 310 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Don't worry, you will learn after this class about quadratic equation. 3n square plus n minus 310 equal to 0. Why? Because 3n square plus n, this is positive value. By the transposition it becomes negative value. Okay. Write the quadratic equation and factorize the quadratic. After factorizing the quadratic equation, we will get n. 3n square plus n minus 310 equal to 0. So the middle term should be written like 3n square plus 31n minus 30n minus 310 equal to 0. This quadratic equation is written like 3n square. So the middle term split as 31n minus 30n. So here 3n square plus 31n, n is the common one, n is the common one. So take out n as a common, 3n plus 31 minus here take 10 as a common one, here 3n plus 31 equal to 0. So check once again, plus into minus into plus, minus 10 into 3n 30n minus into plus minus 10 into 31 310. Okay, what is the here common expression? 3n plus 31 is the common expression. Take out as a common 3n plus 31. Here n is the remaining one and here minus 10 is the remaining one. Okay, we know that AB equal to 0. We can write A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. Here AB equal, we know that AB equal to 0. We can write A equal to 0. A, B are in product. A equal to 0 and B is also B equal to 0. So in that manner, here 3n plus 31 equal to 0, but n equal to minus 31 by 3. So here n should not be negative. N should not be negative. That we should not take negative value. Here n minus 1, n minus 10 equal to 0, n equal to 10. And here we got positive value. So this is the correct answer. We should take positive value. So n equal to 10. That means how many terms are there? How many terms are there? 10 terms. The sum of n terms of AB 2, 5, 8 is 155. Then the number of terms. How many terms are there? 10. There are 10 terms. Okay. In Handsheet 1, in second Roman, multiple correct choice. A class consists of number of boys whose ages are in AP, the common difference being 4 months. If the youngest boy is 8 years, if the sum of ages is 168 years, then the number of boys is, Okay, here multiple correct choice type means multiple of 8 is given and multiple of 4 is given and multiple of 2 is given and root 4 into root 64 is also given. So we have to calculate. Okay, in this problem, the ages are in AP. The age of the first boy 8 years, and the common difference being 4 months. What is the common difference? 8 years and 8 years 4 months and 8 years 8 months and 8 years 12 months. They are in AP. Here what is asked? The number of boys. Okay, the sum of age is also given. The sum of ages is 168. 168. Here, in that progression, take 8 is A equal to 8 years, and what is the common difference? Common difference D equal to 4 months. Months changed into years. 4 by 12, that means 1 by 3 years. 1 by 3 years. And Sn is also given. Sn, what is the value? The sum of the ages 168. 168. So, what we have to calculate? N value. How many numbers are there? How many number of boys are there? If the starting age of the first by 8 years and the sum of the ages of the boys 168. So we use this formula Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the Sn value? 168. What is the Sn value? 160 here. Sn equal to 168. And we don't know, we have to find out. A means 8 plus, we don't know n. What is the value of D? 1 by 3. (168) n by 2, 16 plus n minus by 3. So 168 equal to n by 2, 48 plus n minus 1 by 3. So calculate LCM here. 3 is the LCM of the simplification. 16 3s are 48 plus n minus 1. Okay, 168 into 2 equal to n into 48 minus 1, 47. 47 plus n by, can calculate totally 2 3s are 6. So 168 into 6. (1008). So n into 47, 47 n square, 47 n plus n square. N square plus 47 n minus 1008 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. N square plus 47 n minus 1008 is a quadratic equation, and we have to factorize like n square plus 63n minus 16n minus 1008 equal to 0. Here n is the common term, n plus 63 minus, here take 16 as a common one, n plus 63 equal to 0. Look at once. The middle term 47n is written as 63n minus 16n minus 1008. Here n is the common one, n into n square plus n into 63n minus into plus minus 16 into n 16n minus into plus minus 16 into 63 1008. Here what is the common expression? N plus 63 is the common expression, and here remaining n minus 16 equal to 0. Okay. If a plus b equal to 0, we can write a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. If a b equal to 0, we can take a equal to 0, b equal to 0. So n plus 63 equal to 0, n minus 16 equal to 0. So here n equal to minus 63. N should not be negative here. So you should not consider here n equal to 16. Here n positive value. Here n positive value. So how many number of boys are there? There are 16 boys are there. There are 16 boys are there. There are 16 boys. What is the n value? 16. In sheet 1, reasoning type, statement 1, x comma x by 3 comma minus x by 3 comma minus x forms an AB, then Tn equal to x by 3 into 5 minus 2n. Okay, and statement 2, if the A is the first term and D is the common difference in AB, then Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In state 1, x comma x by 3 comma minus x by 3 comma minus x forms an AB, then Tn equal to x by 3 5 minus 2n, and the state to Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we have to verify two statements and take the first statement, x comma x by 3 comma minus x by 3 and minus x. They are in AB. Here x, A equal to x, the first term is x, the common difference D equal to x by 3 minus x, that means x minus 3x by 3, that means minus 2x by 3. What is the d value? Minus 2x by 3. Then Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute a value x plus n minus 1 into d value. What is the d value? Minus 2x by 3. X plus minus 2xn plus 2x a means x plus n minus 1 into minus 2x by 3. Here x plus minus 2xn plus 2x by 3. By the LCM 3x plus 3x plus into minus 2xn plus 2x by 3. That means 5x minus 2xn by 3. Here x is the common one. 5 minus 2n by 3. We can write like this: x by 3 into 5 minus 2n. So we got the same answer. Tn equal to x by 3 into 5 minus 2n. 5 minus 2n. So it is relations to statement 2. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the statement state 1 and state 2 both are correct. In comprehension type, the eighth sum is sum of n terms of 5, 2, minus 1. Here a equal to 5, d equal to 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3, and formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values a and d. N by 2, what is the value of a? 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, and n by 2, 2 5 is 10, minus 3n plus 3. That means n by 2, 13 minus 3n. So the sum to n terms of 5, 2, minus 1, the answer is Sn equal to n by 2 into 13 minus 3n. Ninth problem. The value of A in the terms of Sn, D, n. Here we have to express A value in the terms of Sn, D, n. So we know that the sum of n terms on if Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now simplify 2Sn by the transposition 2an plus n square minus n 2an n minus 1 into nd. Again 2Sn equal to 2an plus n square d minus nd. Here 2an equal to 2Sn minus n square d plus nd by the transposition. Here 2Sn equal to 2an plus n square d minus nd by the transposition 2an equal to 2Sn minus n square d plus minus becomes plus nd. Here we need A equal to 2Sn minus n square d plus nd by 2n. Okay. Here A is expressed in Sn, D and n. A equal to 2Sn minus n square d plus nd by 2n. This is the A value. Here 10th problem. If Sn equal to 200, n equal to 10 and A equal to 5, then what is the D value? Here Sn equal to 200, n equal to 10 and A equal to 5, then D. So we can use same formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Which formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the Sn value? 200. What is the n value? 10 by 2. And what is the A value? 5 plus n minus, that means 10 minus 1. What is the D value? We don't know. 200, 5, 10 by 2 means 5, 2 5 is a 10, plus 9D. 10 minus 1, 9, 9 into D, 9D. Okay, 5 table 40 times. So 40 equal to 10 plus 9D equal to 9D equal to 30. Then D equal to 30 by 9. This is improper fraction. express in mixed fraction. 3 times 27, 3 by 9, 3 by 9. So this is the D value. Sn equal to 200, n equal to 10 and a equal to 5, then D value. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, and 200 equal to 10 by 2, that means 5, 2 5s are 10 plus 9, 10 minus 1, 9D. So after D equal to 30 by 9, it is in improper fraction, changed as mixed fraction. So that is the D value.